bro. Малко устрай вратата. Right, so we have a new video coming today. My car got crashed into while it was parked outside my house. So what I'm going to do today is I found a replacement bumper from a salvage car, which is, I think it should be the same color. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, but it doesn't really matter because what I'm going to do today is take this one off, put the temporary bumper that I found, and I'll take mine to a repair shop where it will get repaired properly, and then obviously the reverse process. I haven't taken the rear bumper off so far, so today I'm going to get to know my car even a little bit better than before. Right, so I've got the toolbox. So I already did my homework and I watched the video of Romeo from Alfa Romeo No Problem on YouTube. So I kind of know what the steps are. Cameraman, come here. So the first thing that Bruno does is to remove this bolt, this one as well, and these Phillips screws here. And then there are two bolts. Well, mine is missing on here, so I'm going to fix this when I'm putting everything back together. And there is a bolt here, so the idea is for this plastic cover to come off, and then we'll gain access underneath the cloth here at the boot, and then there is just a matter of unscrewing a few screws and it should come off. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're off to a good start. Right, okay, so let's see what happens. So I think this should, yeah, there we go. Okay, so first step done. The bolt is holding nothing. Right, okay, so second step done. So we have fully removed all the plastic coverings from here. I'm just going to put these away so we don't start losing bolts. Right, okay, so next step is to remove the covers for the tail lights. Okay, so first box off. Now onto the other side. Pretty straightforward. Right, okay, so second box off. Now I'm going to remove the fire extinguisher. Can you shine the phone inside here? Right, it looks like a mess inside here, but what I think is we have to undo this. And is there another one inside there? I don't think so, just these two. Maybe it's this one. Right, okay, we're unscrewing it. I'm using a bike tool to remove my rear bumper. Crazy. Okay, so it's pretty loose.
Тук имаш още две.
Къде имам още
Ето
две?
тук.
One, Where's the second one? This one? There's nothing there. So we have one more here, yeah. Okay, it's okay. Right, so next step, if you come over to the outside, there's a Phillips here, and maybe I'll need to take these two as well in order to have a look at what's underneath here. Maybe I won't touch it for now. What I'm going to do is we're going to go back into the inside of the car. Now we're going to start undoing. I'm gonna start with the easy ones and work my way towards the difficult ones. Okay, this one pretty straightforward. Luckily they're not very tight. Those three I think Bruno leaves for the end, so we need to come around this side. And now here we have the two Phillips screws again. On this side there are two, and I think there should be one up here, Bruno says, but I don't see one on my car, so maybe I don't have it. So we're going to undo the Phillips screws underneath as well. I'm just going to remove it while up here. Right, okay, come over here. I'm going to remove the bottom bit from this side as well. Right, okay, so I think we're pretty much there. What we have left is these three here, and once we remove those, we're going to see what's going to happen. Right, okay, and I remember that there are a few here. There are, I think, 1 or 2 here. Luckily I remembered. Right, okay, so we continue with removing the bolts from this side. I've already undone the first bit, so they're finger tight at the moment. Right, okay, so if I'm not mistaken, these are the last 3 bolts that we have to undo. Okay, so I managed to undo this bolt as well, so the bumper is pretty much free. So I guess I just have to remove it. And it's not moving. We have positive movements.
Wow.
Right, okay, so this is the bumper removed. I think I'm going to stop the video now from here because it's already dark and you can't really see anything, so I'm going to continue the video tomorrow. Peace.